Shawnee Park there. So tonight, though, we're talking about some thunderstorms rumbling through the area. We started the night team showing you a lightning strike just to the east of downtown at Brownsboro and Zorn Avenue. That's in a neighborhood that sits up sort of high there along near the VA hospital.
Right, yeah, so we had those storms rolling through, and this is what's forming behind. So Louisville, those storms are now down to our south, but this is a live look from our Hughes and Coleman camera. Of course, it's elevated, so visibility is also always worse, you know, the higher up that you do go, but still, we are talking less than a mile of visibility in some spots from the Louisville Metro up through southern Indiana tonight. Just take a look at this visibility map. The deeper the gray on this map, the lower the visibility. So we're really seeing that dense fog form on the backside of this system as we still have a lot of moisture in place, lighter winds behind, and those temperatures trying to fall right around those elevated dew points. Max HD radar, some good news is that we did have that one severe thunderstorm warning in place for around the Litchfield area. Still did pack a punch, I'm sure, with heavy rainfall, gusty winds, maybe some hail, lightning as well, but it is now back below severe limits there. So some good news, but still plenty of orange and red on the radar. That means heavy rainfall along and south of the parkways here for the next hour or two until all of this continues to clear to the south and southeast. Not a ton of storm fuel today. That kept a lot of our storms more so elevated in nature, but just enough coming in from the west and southwest to really allow for that stronger storm right there in Litchfield. Louisville, we are at 48 degrees, but I showed this during the earlier newscast, and we've had a big gradient of temperatures across the region all day today. Much cooler to the north and northeast, where we have upper 30s and lower 40s, and then we have 70s just down to our southwest in Nashville, Fort Campbell, 67 currently in Bowling Green. That's how you know we've had a warm front kind of slicing through the region today. In terms of how much rainfall we picked up since midnight, many spots around an inch or more, especially along and north of Louisville. Still going to take some time for these numbers to increase now over the next 40 minutes before midnight along and south of the parkways. Hour by hour futurecast continuing to show those storms pushing down to the south and southeast over the next hour or two, and then just dense fog behind that. Tomorrow should be mostly dry outside of some patchy mist or drizzle, especially in the morning due to those foggy conditions, and expect cloudy skies with highs in the 50s. As we head into Thursday, more moisture moves in from the west and southwest by Thursday afternoon and evening, really increasing in coverage throughout the day on Friday. And Friday could be fairly similar to today, where we have rounds of scattered showers and thunderstorms, heavy at times, before this finally rolls out of here by midday on Saturday. So just a dreary day on Wednesday, more rain late Thursday throughout the day Friday, tapering off Saturday, and then we get some drier time in here this weekend and into early next week. Highs stay in the 50s and 60s. Doug.